I'm Carolyn Drazzo, this is Stacy Bland. We're the KW Homegirls. Woohoo! And welcome to our second episode of Cooking with the Homegirls. We hope you enjoy it.
Today we are going to cook some chili and some s'mores. It's been kind of cold in Southern California, so we thought those would be the perfect things for us. The first step, in a large pot over medium heat, we're going to add the bacon and cook the fat until it's been rendered.
Add in the bacon. Get it nice and crispy. So we're going to want to get the fat from the bacon.
So once your bacon's gotten a little bit crispy, you leave the bacon fat in the pan. You could add some more olive oil if you need to. And now we're going to brown the cubes. Once this is browned, then you're going to take the meat out. And you can just, if you want, just put it where your bacon is and hold it. It's gonna put in the onions. You're gonna saute them until they're wilted. So once your onions are wilted, you're gonna throw in the garlic and you're gonna saute it for about a minute. Okay, and then you're going to stir in the masa, chili powder, cumin, coriander, paprika, and oregano.
All those spices. Yeah. And this is going to give us some thickness and some spice.
So the next thing you're going to stir in is your crushed tomatoes, tomato paste,
Beef broth,
a bay leaf, the stew meat, bacon. Now you're just going to let it simmer for about an hour and a half. Go ahead and put the lid on. While it's simmering, we are going to get started on the s'mores, my favorite part.
Dessert. So now for our yummy dessert, we're going to be making s'mores.
This is a s'mores dip dessert. You put a tablespoon of butter in the pan. When the butter is melted, you're going to add the chocolate chips and heavy whipping cream. I don't know that you need the tongs though, unless you're going to do each chocolate chip by itself.
I don't know why I can't get these out of my hand.
Mix them up. It does take a little bit for the chocolate to melt, but you don't want to melt it on high because it'll burn. Make sure we remember to take it off the heat because if you don't, the chocolate will burn.
All right, so next we got to put in the whipping cream. And then after we're going to put butterscotch.
We are not going to put a butter crotch.
We promise. We promise.
Now you're going to sprinkle the butterscotch chips on top. Then put the marshmallows and you're going to cover it with the marshmallows.
Now we're going to put our s'mores mix in the oven at 450 for about 10 minutes or so. Just keep
5 or 10 minutes and keep an eye on it. We're going to take them out before they burn so they stay nice and pretty. Okay, so this has been simmering for about an hour, 15 minutes, and we're going to add the remaining ingredients. It's your black beans, kidney beans, and your squash.
Butternut squash.
You cook it for another hour.